Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss some other numericals of chapter cavitation. Now see this numerical. A stone is thrown vertically upward with an initial velocity of 40 meter per second. There is a stone which is thrown vertically upward with an initial velocity 40 meter per second. Find the maximum height reached by the stone. You have to find the maximum height reached by the stone. Means the distance covered by the stone from where it come back to the earth. First we will write the given. One thing you have to remember, in this question you have given that taking g equal 10 meter per second square. So whenever the value of g is given in question 10 meter per second square, only in that condition you have to use the value of g 10 meter per second square. Otherwise, in the question, if there is no given value of g, then you have to use 9.8 meter per second square. Clear? Now see, we have given u equal 40 meter per second. Now apply first equation of motion. V equal u. This is an upward motion, and in upward motion the value of g is negative, so u minus gt. At this point v is 0 because from this point the velocity of the object becomes 0, so this comes back to the earth. Okay, u equal 40 minus g is 10 into t. 10t को इधर लेके आइए. 10t equal 40, t equal 40 upon 10 equal 4 seconds. The time taken by the object to reach maximum height is 4 seconds. Now we can find the maximum height. Maximum height S equal ut minus half gt square. Because this is an upward motion, so we have to take g negative. Now put the values. U is 40, t is 4, half, g is 10, t is 4. 40 into 4, 160. 2 5s are 10, minus 5 into 16, 16 5s are 80, equal 80 meter. First answer is 80 meter. What you have to find? Find the maximum height reached by the stone. The maximum height reached by the stone is 80 meter. Now, what is the net displacement and distance covered by the stone? Net displacement equal 0. Why? The stone is going upward, and then after reaching a certain height it comes back to the earth, to its initial position. Then how much it displaced? No displacement. So displacement is 0. And total distance covered by the object इक्वल डिस्टेंस कितनी कवर करेगा ऑब्जेक्ट, यहाँ से यहाँ तक आने में कितनी डिस्टेंस कवर की 80 मीटर. तो यहाँ से वापस ग्राउंड तक आने में भी कितनी डिस्टेंस कवर करेगा, 80 मीटर. सो दिस विल बिकम 80 मीटर प्लस 80 मीटर इक्वल 160 मीटर. This is your first answer, this is your second answer, and this is your third answer. Now see another question. A stone is dropped from the edge of roof. छत पर से एक स्टोन गिराया गया. It passes a window 2 meter high in 0.1 second. एक विंडो लगी हुई है घर में जिसकी हाइट कितनी है, 2 मीटर है, और उस विंडो से पास होने में स्टोन को कितना टाइम लगा, 0.1 सेकेंड. हाउ फॉर इज द रूफ अबव द विंडो. तो विंडो और छत के बीच में कितनी दूरी है. If this is the roof, then there is a window whose height is 2 meter and it takes 0.1 second to pass out. Let us consider this height be h, which we have to find. यहाँ से स्टोन को नीचे गिराया जा रहा है. Now see, we have given the time of this distance. First we will find the time taken by the stone to cover distance h. Let it be, let time taken by stone to cover h height b t. Then my second equation of motion h equal ut plus half gt square. At roof the initial velocity is 0. So h equal 0 into t plus half into 9.8 t square. H equal 4.9 t square. This is equation first. Now the time taken to fall h plus 2 meter height means this distance and this distance is h हाइट डिस्टेंस कवर करने में कितना टाइम ले रहा था, हमने माना था t सेकेंड, और 2 मीटर हाइट डिस्टेंस कवर करने में कितना टाइम ले रहा है, 0.1 सेकेंड. तो h प्लस 2 मीटर डिस्टेंस कवर करने में कितना टाइम लेगा, t प्लस 0.1 सेकेंड. अगेन अप्लाई दिस इक्वेशन. h plus 2 equal, we will directly put these values in equation number first. We get h plus 2 equal 4.9 t plus 0.1 का whole square. This is equation second. Now subtract equation number first from equation number second. Subtract first from second. We get h plus 2 minus h equal 4.9 t plus 0.1 का whole square minus 4.9 t square. Clear? Now solve this equation. H plus 2 minus h. H, this is of plus, this is of minus, so it will cancel out. Left hand side there is only 2. Now 4.9 is common. Taking common 4.9. Open this square. T square plus 0.01. The square of 0.1 is 0.01 plus 2ab means 0.2t minus t square. This t square is of plus, this t square is of minus, so it will cancel out. Now 2 equal 4.9 0.01 plus 0.2 t. Multiply this 4.9 inside the bracket, we get 2 equal 0.049 plus 0.98 t. .98t equal 2 minus 0.049 t equal, माइनस करिए 2 में से इसको, हाउ मच इज लेफ्ट 1.10 में से 9 गया 1, 9 में से 4 गया 5, 9, 1.951 upon 0.98. Now see 1, 2, 3, there are 3 digits after decimal, there are 2 digits, so we increase the 0 here and make the digits equal after decimal, then we will cancel the decimal. Now this is equals to 1951 upon 980. Divide this, we get I am going to erase this part. .980 divide 1951. 980 माइनस करिए 1 में से 0 गया 1, 5, 15 में से 8 गया 7, 18 में से 9 गया 9. This is smaller than 980, so we place a decimal and increase 1 0. 0, 9 8s are 72, 9 9s are 81 and 7, 88. 0, 11 minus 2, 9, 16 minus 8, 8. Again put a 0. and it will again 9 times 8820. So this is equals to 1.99 second. Now this is the time taken by the stone to cover the distance at h. But we have to find the distance taken by the stone. How far is the roof above the window? रूफ एंड विंडो के बीच की डिस्टेंस हमको फाइंड करनी है, मीन्स h की वैल्यू निकालनी है. फ्रॉम इक्वेशन फर्स्ट वी हैव h इक्वल 4.9 t square equal 4.9 into 1.99 whole square. Now you have to solve this and write the value of h. You have to send this numerical after completing and do the other numericals which I have given, and if you have any doubt then you can ask. Thank you.